Stuck in a dinner rut? Get ready to transform your weeknights with a dish that's bursting with flavor and incredible ease. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Mexican stuffed peppers. A recipe so versatile, delicious, and simple, it's perfect for everyone, from busy parents to health-conscious foodies. And I'm not just showing you a recipe. I'm revealing the secret to making these unforgettable. Now, you might think authentic, healthy Mexican flavors are complicated to make, right? Or maybe you're worried about finding a meal that satisfies both vegetarians and meat lovers at the same table. Well, let me tell you, that's a myth we're busting today. We start with colorful bell peppers, then fill them with a hearty, spiced mix of beans, rice, corn, and savory seasonings. It's so simple, even if you've never cooked before, you'll nail it. For my vegetarian friends, this is a protein-packed dream. For families, it's a sneaky way to get in those veggies without a fuss. The beauty is in how easily you can customize it. Add a little kick with jalapeños, or keep it mild for sensitive palates. When these peppers emerge from the oven, bubbling with golden cheese and perfectly tender, that first forkful, warm and cheesy, with all those vibrant flavors dancing on your tongue, that's what dinner dreams are made of. So forget bland meals and complicated cooking. These Mexican stuffed peppers are your new go-to. For more mouth-watering recipes that make cooking a breeze, click here to watch our next video.